Hello and welcome to UnBox. Today we are going to unbox and have a look at the Sony RX100 VII. The RX100 line of cameras are the best compact point-and-shoot cameras you can buy currently on the market. The camera boasts a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor with a f-aperture range of 2.8 to 4.5 and a 24 to 200mm equivalent optical zoom lens. This particular camera is currently priced at £1,299. Let's begin with the unboxing. After opening the initial flap, you'll be greeted with an accessory pamphlet giving you an overview of the available sold separately accessories for the Sony CyberShot line of cameras, and multiple startup guides in different languages. And here I am fanning them out for you so you can have a look at how the different leaflets may look. The particular camera that I have is an international variant, therefore I have some extra accessories which are not available with all models. We will go over the extra accessory later on in the video. After opening the internal flap, you will find the accessories and camera tightly packed together. The first accessory we are greeted with is a Sony branded wrist strap. I would advise you to keep the wrist strap on as it helps lower the chance of you dropping the camera while in use. Secondly, we have a USB-A to micro USB cable used for data transfer and charging the actual camera. Personally, I would have preferred a USB Type-C cable. However, this is what we have, therefore we'll have to make do. Maybe in a later generation we will have USB Type-C charging. The additional accessory is a multi-outlet to UK mains adapter. Here we have the power cord. I believe the power cord to be 1/2 meter, which makes it very compact and easy to handle. The second additional accessory is the AC adapter. This accessory is only available for certain regions. On one side we have the AC in, while on the opposite side we have the female USB Type A port. On the top side we have the Sony branding, while on the bottom side we have all the safety regulations and reminders. Let's put the camera aside for now and continue with the accessories. Here we have the strap adapters. The final accessory in the box is the battery. This is a rechargeable NP-BX1 type, which has been the same since the first RX100. Now it's time for the star of the show, the Sony RX100 VII. On the front of the camera, near the middle you'll find the lens, and off to the side you'll find the Sony and Zeiss brandings. On the top is the on-off button, the shutter and zoom switch, and the mode dial. On the left side we have the viewfinder switch and the NFC tag. The right side has the microphone, micro USB and mini HDMI in. On the lower side we have the battery and memory insert panel plus a 5.5mm mount port. Here we have the LCD screen and control wheel plus other controls. The pop-up flash and viewfinder are also found on the upper side of the body. Here is a 128GB SanDisk SD-XC1 card which is compatible with this camera. The RX100 Mark VII has a tiltable 180-degree screen, making it ideal for selfies and vlogging. Hence, it became the best vlogging camera you could buy in 2020. Here we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. To conclude my video, I have added some sample shots with the camera set on automatic mode.